Hi Noah.
Hello.
Where are we?
Bienvenue à Paris.
Oh, welcome to Paris. We're in Paris. We just got to our appartement. A little tour. Nice kitchen. The salle de bain. Washing machine to do our laundry. Is the bedroom. Oh, that connects to the other. Les ascensions. Ascensions.
Will you kiss me?
Bonjour.
Madame.
Madame.
I pressed 0. It's 0, right?
Oui.
Here they say ground floor 0.
Noah, can you repeat what I taught you?
Parlez-vous français or anglais?
Like I know it's a half pint compared to my big mama cup. It's our first full day in Paris. We're getting ready right now, but we actually have a very packed day ahead of us. Today we're going to visit Le Louvre. What is today?
Today is June 19, and we're going to the Louvre! And we're going to the Louvre!
Est-ce que vous parlez anglais?
S'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît.
Let's go. On y va. La sienne. Can't believe it. What the hell are people taking a video of? Duh. This looks like Subi when he loafs.
Subi Mickey.
Oh yeah, and this is Mickey. Oh. We just got out of Le Louvre.
Le freaking Louvre.
We are looking for...
It was super.
Très super. Je prends donc Coca-Cola, Daddy.
Parlez-vous cheers.
You speak cheers.
Je suis cheers.
We went to La Boulangerie.
Wow.
And Noah got a tart apple tart with chocolate and almonds.
Some type of chocolate.
On top?
Yeah. Do cafe latte.
This is the big size, by the way, cafe au lait. And I got a brioche chocolat.
Wow, so cute.
For us to share. We got a sandwich.
A sandwich.
With hamon and beurre to sustain us for the rest of the day.
Okay.
Yeah. We're in the water, ladies. Maintenant, we are walking to the Grand Bassin.
Grand Bassin.
We want to see the fountain where the cool people sit and chill before we head to Louis Garmin to get Dee Dee's notebook. So update, it's actually closed. Do you see it? We were supposed to go there.
Rond, s'il vous plaît.
Oh, do you think that's a ride? The one over there?
I think that's construction.
It's like a bungee jumping or something?
I don't know.
I forgot I had this girl on me. Do you feel?
I feel. Oh, it doesn't do that. I feel amazing.
We're taking a little break right now from walking because our feet hurt so much. We're in Pasadena right now. And this is where we're getting Didi's gift.
Chris, le carne de votre vie.
Tres le carne de votre vie.
I'm gonna tax refund the fuck out of this. No, Versailles! We're going to Versailles!
Versailles Chateau.
It's a homecoming for Mama.
It's gonna take around 23 minutes for it to get here. Mais il y a l'iPhone.
Am I touching it? Am I touching it?
My camera's too bad that you can't even see.
Oh shit, I lost. I think you were touching it, baby. Hell yeah. Yep. Yep. Look at the Moabs. Uh-huh.
It's because our feet were drying yesterday, so we're wearing comfy shoes today.
I wanted to kill myself yesterday.
So miserable. But that did not take away our experience of Paris. We do not have Paris syndrome.
Never that. But I did want to kill myself in Paris.
Not me.
She did too.
Never me.
Olivia! We're here, girl! Olivia, we're here! Come
We're
outside!
here.
Olivia, come outside, we're here!
Oh my god. It's going and going and going.
It's that one room in 50 Shades of Grey. You ever seen that?
Where's the bed at?
Oh, it's a video.
It's like a memory foam mattress.
Yeah, they got that at Bob's. That's a Bobopedic.
Probably bigger than 7 feet, that's for sure.
About 6, about 6.
Tether ball. He gave it a bowl of ice to put in our water. I got a mocha. And then Noah got an iced latte with free oat milk from Oakley.
And that's just the start.
And we're sitting in the Angelina restaurant inside the palace. Chandelier and everything. Les jardins.
Le Jardin Versailles.
Noah et moi, we pooped in the inside the
Like
palace.
a lot.
They had their own bathrooms that were private. I hate pooping in public, but I had to do what I gotta do to be able to do my business in there. And I cleaned the toilet too with the toilet brush.
That's crazy, dude. You're a good lady.
Wondering if Sofia Coppola's Marie Antoinette, the scene where Marie and like all of her friends, when they watch the sunset, I wonder if it's over there. We are at Champma. Tower is actually pretty big. Just gonna...
Beer, water, cola, beer.
Water cola beer, water cola beer, water cola.
Is he gonna do the thing?
Sorry. It's 10 p.m. by the way. Oh. 10:15 now. Still no sparkle. We still sitting here.
Waiting for that sparkle though.
Sparkling. 11 p.m. Oh, sparkle. Oh, sparkle. Weeds in it, Joe. I can't believe we're here. It's beautiful.
Battery low. Just up.
Bye bye. Bye bye, Paris.
Bye bye Paris.
Bye bye, Paris. And tomorrow, Nice.
Nice.
We made it Tunis. Noah got a creamy burger.
Creamy burger. Bienvenue à bon burger. Maison du.
The beach is just right there. We're eating at a beach club. How do you feel?
Incroyable.
That's awesome. We just got to our hotel. We woke up at like 4 a.m. in order to get here. This hotel is so nice. There's AC. It's very petite, mais very comfy and very beautiful. So it's a nice bed. We have a TV. I have a nice mirror. It's a very coastal themed hotel itself. And there's so much light. There's like wood cabinetry everywhere. There's room service. I've never done room service before. And then we also have a balcony. We have rested at our hotel.
I love hotels.
It was so nice.
I love AC.
I love bathrobe. And now we're going to dinner.
A pirouette.
We're waiting for the tram. Let's focus now. We're at pirouette. Look at the view of our place. We're sitting outside. There's so many pillows. But it's very cute. Very romantic place. Yeah, flower place. We just finished dinner. Easily the best meal we've had on this trip so far. Get it, got it. And now we are walking to dessert. It's not focused, but we got ice cream. And we're gonna walk home now. It's a 23-minute walk. We're 30 minutes early to lunch, but lunch is just right above us. So we're gonna take a quick dip.
Isn't it so pretty?
It's awesome.
This is just off the train station. It was like a 2-minute walk from the train.
It's awesome. See you later. No one's swimming. It's so nice and cool. Earlier, we were over there. And the restaurant
It's right there.
right up there. We had vongole. I had rigatoni, a little bit undercooked, but it's fine. This is our view. The train station's just up there, but wanted to take a walk before we head to Menton. Have the picnic Cap d'Ail. It's very beautiful. Oh, I swam for like
an hour?
an hour. I realize I love laying on the rock next to the water more so than being in it.
Mermaid type shit.
Yes, exactly. Exactement.
Exactement. Period.
Us.
Freaking us.
We are in Menton city of lemons.
Oh,
sorry.
Cabe slipping. Cabe slipping.
Hotel Loncherie.
I just imagine these trees lined with oranges.
But there's nothing.
But just imagine.
They got the darky. Ordered a nice coffee. Definitely not iced.
It's okay.
We're like in the Apple store of lemon ice cream. I'm guessing it's probably gonna look like that. This is what it looks like. La tarte mentone. So don't hurt him.
Don't do it to him,
Is this sugar or?
That's ice.
Oh, it's just cold. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Orange. Right. Right.
I'm about to start some shit. Let's go in there.
Never too old to enjoy the view. I've been saying that. Shirt, no pants. Me and my pajamas be like.
Get the undercarriage behind you.
Get it. People at the beach.
Holy shit.
Did you know that there's cars right underneath it? I didn't. It's crazy. Gave him a BBL.
Am I getting it?
Yeah, but I can't really see his face now. We're going to the beach, plage de Onze, and then after we're going to Saint-Paul-de-Vence. Bữa nay thì hai em đi biển đi chơi biển de Onze ở Antibes. Buổi sáng thì hai em ăn bánh mì xá xíu với 2 ly cà phê. Em order tiếng Việt tại vì biết nói tiếng Việt hơn tiếng Pháp. Em biết nói tiếng Anh the best. Accent của anh đó là accent của Hà Nội. Em nghĩ thì ngoài hiểu chút xíu mà không hiểu hết. Does make sense? Đi biển nè. But it's raining. Anh trời mưa a little bit. So we have to pivot. I'm gonna go straight to St. Paul-de-Vence. Maintenant, we are in St. Paul-de-Vence. We found the first fountain, and people used to wash their clothes here a long time ago. We are at the viewpoint. Marc Chagall is buried here, and lots of people come to leave him flowers on his grave. Earlier, I went to a jewelry shop, and the woman there said that my French was perfect, and I told her that I took classes in college a long time ago, but it's not great. And she's like, oh no, it's still pretty good. So I'm gonna ride this high for the rest of my life. Noah and I have an hour until our dinner reservation, so we're just taking a walk around the walls of the town. But this is the walls of St. Paul-de-Vence.
And this is the wall of Noah.
And this is the rest. These houses kind of look like you'd see them in Calabasas, though. Like Kim K probably lives there.
Kim Kardashian.
Bây giờ hai bạn đi bộ đang chờ cho ăn tối ở 7:30. But yep, that's all I. Đúng rồi.
Đúng rồi.
We already walked throughout the rest of the town, so there's not much else for us to see. So we'll keep walking.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Finished eating. I forgot to film the food. Look at the view.
It's focused?
Yeah.
Wow.
But it's super zoomed in though. This is where we're eating. It was awesome. I had chicken and Noah had gnocchi.
It was awesome, and I ate all the bread, and I ate Brittany's bread.
Yeah, he did. For his gnocchi sauce.